and cue my sick new intro. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ritvik S Vlogging. Yes, I am officially back. How's life? Okay, yeah, I know it's been a long time since I uploaded videos, but yes, I was active on other social media platforms as well. Don't worry if you think this is not me. This is me, just a new face, okay? But I'm gonna be doing a 3D puzzle video today. Notre-Dame de Paris.
Aiyayyo.
By Revell. Open the box. I tore the box.
Aiyayyo.
And let's just kick in. Oh, that's it. So we have the I don't know what this says, instructions, the puzzle sheets. Let's get building. So thank you so much for watching me make this wonderful 3D puzzle. I know I really have to get back to uploading videos and going back to my regular schedule, but I'll surely be back to my regular schedule in a few weeks or maybe. So until then, like, comment, share, subscribe, go follow my social media platforms, that are in the description, and see you next time. Bye. One love, Ritvik S Vlogging. That is a wrap, and